Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to mute camera shutter sound on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So, the thing is, you can't directly turn off the camera shutter sound. You can mute your phone overall, so you can make photos without any sound. And let me show you how to do it. For that, we would need to swipe down 2 times until you'll find this icon, which currently says sounds. It has 3 modes, which is sound, vibrate, and mute. So when it's in the sound mode, the camera shutter sound will be heard. If it's in vibrate, you'll only feel a little vibration when you are making a photo. But if we will click one more time on it, it will be in the mute mode, in which the camera shutter sound or any vibration won't be catched. But also, if you are in a mute sound and you can still feel the vibrations of the camera, we can also disable them. For that, go to the settings and here scroll a little bit lower until you'll find this setting, which is named vibration feedback. Disable it and now you can take photos without any sound or vibration. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.